So today I'll be showing a short demo demonstrating the automatic schema discovery feature in Druid 26. What I've got here on the left is some code that creates a topic, a Kafka topic. It creates some simple messages and then sends those messages to the producer, the Kafka producer, and then those messages are available to be picked up in Druid. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Druid UI where we'll set up ingesting those messages. So here I'm in the Druid UI, and I'm going to set up an ingestion specification for the Kafka messages. So here I'm going to do streaming data Kafka. It's localhost. And then the topic name is my topic. I'm going to go ahead and select the default for most of these. Here I'm going to set the granularity to an hour. And use offset to true. All right, so this schema specification says that we have Kafka messages with a timestamp and a simple message. I'm going to adjust this to just automatically detect the schema. So here I'm not adding any dimensions for the data. I'm saying just automatically detect it. Automatically detect the schema structure for that data. So now I'm going to go ahead and execute a query from that new data source. New data source was my topic. All right, so as you can see, the data is getting into that my topic data source. And here's a quick look at the data. What I'm going to do now is adjust that data source, and then the adjustment should automatically be picked up within the ingestion spec and in the data source. So what I did was I added a new field to the my topic, and then I'm going to rerun that, and we should see that new field picked up in that data source. All right, so I've sent some new data, an extra field from code, and then we should see that picked up here in the data source. So as you can see, there's some new records in that data source, and we're going to go back and query that to make sure those records are getting in. Take a look at what those records look like. I'm going to change that so I get the records in ascending order. All right. So as you can see, that new field has been added. It's empty in the original records. But as we go look at the new records, we should see that new field populated. So here we go. We've got new field and the data that comes in with new field. It's very simple stuff. It's just a number on the new message ID. So what this proves is you can modify your data source. So the ingestion coming in from Kafka, I modified that topic, added a additional field, and that gets automatically picked up without any human intervention. We didn't have to go back and update any schemas. So that got automatically picked up because auto schema was set to true in the ingestion spec.